is Jessica Giovanna in the building. What? Just kidding. Never again. Um, I'm going to just talk about my wedding bouquet and an affordable option for you guys. And I just want to show you what I have. Ta-da! Anyways, I love it. I think it's awesome. Let me stand up with my non-matching. I wasn't planning on standing up, but so I'm gonna have to deal with these pants. I apologize. The top half looks good though. Anyways, I really like this bouquet. It is, I feel like it's like big enough, you know. You don't want a skimpy looking bouquet sort of situation. Let me turn on the lights really quick, cause aha, there we go. Well, hello. But yeah, it's very realistic looking. I really love this, and you can add in more things if you want to make it, you know, like maybe have like a waterfall effect, eucalyptus. Maybe you could throw some of that in there, make it really cute. But yeah, I honestly like it as is. Like, I think it's great. Like some floral green tape and just tape all those little pieces together. But I just wanted to show you guys really quick bouquet. And let me turn this off. But yeah, I just thought it was really cute. And it's like almost an ivory color. So I do believe they have different colors. I just want to show you guys the thing really quick. That's the scientific term, the thing. This is what I got, and I will post the link down below of these flowers. But yeah, I love it. I love them. They're great. And I'm trying really hard not to say I'm trying, as I noticed in my other videos, I say and like so much, and I'm just like, Jesus. I just did it again. I'm gonna try my hardest to just not say those words. It's so difficult. Anyway, I hope you liked all of those things. I love this bouquet. I'm going to be officially adding this to the markdown list of things. And I believe this was $16. So I think it was like $16.99. So let's say like 17. And going to be adding that to the subtraction list. I think I'm still within the $800 range. We'll see. So if you check down below, I have the calculations. You guys think of these flowers? I think they're really pretty. Definitely will do the job. Might add some stuff onto it, but I've been trying to do basic, like common denominator, like dress, like things that you can do to make it underneath a grand. So that is what we're trying to do on this channel. I just think it's fun to do. It's a good challenge, and hopefully I'm trying to stay under a grand, but I will let you guys know what happens with that. And if it goes over, I might do a giveaway of some of maybe the extra stuff I have, or because there's so many things. The plates I'm getting are super nice too. Like I wouldn't mind cleaning those up and like giving those away for free. I mean, why not? But thank you guys for stopping by, and I might do a bridal box. I don't know if you've heard of a let me see, let me try to find it real quick. And this right here is the bridal box. I think this is called the Miss to Miss box, and it's really cool. And I'll leave a link for that below. I'm not sponsored or anything, but like I just thought it was really cute. And I think this one is in the bride to be box, and it comes with like a little tumbler, like a notebook, like a countdown thing for the day. It's like It just looks really cute. Like if you're have a maybe have a friend that is getting married or something, I just think that's like a cute little gift to get them. Great, thank you so much for stopping by. And thank you. Please leave a like or a dislike if you hated it. And I will see you next time. And I'm gonna be pumping out videos every single day. So, but yeah, so this actually comes in like 4 different thingamawhatsits, and but yeah, like even if you wanted to use this as like decoration, just like put one in mason jars. I'm getting sidetracked. I need to end this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.